Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Diksha Vedantu Foundation YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. I am Ankit Srivastava bringing you today day 14 of our series 99% in 99 days, okay, for CBSE mathematics. Now today was a mock test. I hope all of you answered the mock test. This was on the polynomials and pair of linear equations. So there was a total of 15 questions. I am hoping that all of you solved all the 15 questions. So these questions will be based upon on your PYQs or questions which is relevant to the PYQs, means a similar question you can expect in this year also, okay. So very important to attempt this test, very important to check your answers with me in this test, okay. One more thing, how can you prepare for it? So every week, whatever we are teaching in the regular days from Monday to Saturday, Sunday will be mock on that. So this is your syllabus preparation for every mock. So please be prepared for that and write all the tests, in the given time limit. So let's say writing the test for 15 questions. Try to answer that in 40 minutes. You can't take more than 40 minutes to solve that 15 questions, okay, because there will be PYQs, so there will be MCQs, assessment reason, everything will be there. So 40 minutes is more than enough to solve 15 problems. So please make sure that you solve it, okay. So now please cross check your answers for all the questions with me, okay. So I'm going to start with the first question. Let's see what was the first question and how many of you got it right. So let me in the comment section that, sir, I got this as right. Any doubt is there, please let me know. If it is a big one, I'll try to answer in the videos, or if it is a small one, I'll answer in your comment section only. I'll reply to your comments. So first question is, what was the first question, bacha? The value of x plus y, you have to find it out, provided that given is, okay, I've done a question like this, no? Was it the same question? It was not the same question. It is not the same question, but I have done a similar question in our regular session also. So please write the equation. So one way to solve this question is what? By finding value of x, okay, and y, and then add it. Other way is just write it like this: 3x plus 2y equals to 12, and then subtract the two equations. So this is equation number 1, let's say. This is equation number 2, subtracted, sign change, minus, minus, minus. 3x minus 2x is x, 2y minus y is simply y, and 12 minus 7 is what? 5. Are we looking for this value only? Yes. Answer is C. Simple enough, right? So please check. I hope all of you got the right answer. I know all of you got the right answer, okay. I am confident, bacha. Question number 2, if 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24, then p is where? Find the p. What is the value of p where p equals to, okay, this relation, y equals to px plus 3. So we have to find the xn value from here and use that in the other equation to find the value of p. How can we do that? Please check. 2x minus 4y equals minus 24 and 2x plus 3y equals 11. Please take difference, minus, minus, minus. This goes out, 2x minus 2x, minus 4y minus 3y is what? Minus 7y, minus 24 minus 11. How much is that? Minus 35. So if you see, cancel with 5 times, y equals to 5. Y equals to 5. Now put it in the first equation, 2 times of x equals to 11 minus 3y. So 11 minus what? 5 into 3 is 15. So this is minus 4 upon 2 equals to what? X. Upon 2 equals to x means x equals to minus 2. Now put these values in the given equation with the variable p. So y is how much? 5. Y is 5. P is as it is, x is what? Minus 2 plus 3. Bring this 3 over here. 5 minus 3 equals to minus 2p. So 2 equals to minus 2p, hence p equals to what? Simply, okay, p equals to minus 1. 2 equals to minus 2, p. Means p has to be minus 1 to make it positive side, okay. So answer is A. Good question, okay. I think this was asked in PYQ also, 2023 I think. This question was asked in 2023. Please cross check, but I think this was asked in your boards. So a very good question. Moving on to question number 3. All of you got it right? Question number 2, yes. Okay, bx minus ay equals to a plus b, ax plus by equals to a minus b. Find the value of x by y. Okay, let's solve it. So we will have to write the equation first. So let's write it here, bx minus ay equals to a plus b, my first equation. Second one is what, bacha? Ax plus by equals to a minus b. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay, please check. I have plus ay and plus b, minus ay and plus by. If I multiply b over here, it will become minus aby. If I multiply a over here, it will become plus aby. I can cancel by adding them. I've done a question like this, okay? So multiply equation number 1 with what? B, and equation number 2 with what? A. Please see the result for the first one. So it will become what, bacha? B square x minus aby equals to ab plus b square. Right? Now for the next one, what are you going to get? With a to multiply. So a square x plus aby plus aby equals to a square minus ab. Now add them, please. Check here, this and this will cancel, and this will cancel. What I'm getting on this side, take x common, it's a square plus b squared equals to what is on the RHS side? Same thing, a squared plus b squared. Cancel this. What I'm getting? X is equals to 0? No sir, 1. X equals to 1. Please don't write it as 0. Now put x is equals to 0 in first equation. Put it here, x equals to not 0, forgive me, 1. So I get b minus ay equals to a plus b. Alright, cancel b and b is gone. I get what? I get y equals to a upon minus a. So what is y equals to? Simply minus 1. What are they asking? They're asking us the value of x by y. Please check. They're asking us x by y. X is 1, y is minus 1. What is the answer? Minus 1. Option number B. Excellent question, right? A very good question. If this question is asked in 2 marker also, relevant. Yes, so I hope you got this answer. Please cross check your solution. If you have made any mistake, please cross check your steps. Okay, that's why I'm writing all the steps. I can skip the steps, but I'm writing the steps for your benefit, because if this question comes for 2 marker, 3 marker, then you will need to know the steps to solve the question. That's why all the steps are written, even though it's in a MCQ. Please check. Question number 4. Now the previous 3 questions was on linear equations. This question is on polynomials. Some of the zeros, okay, I've done this question right in my class, CBSE 2023 problem. Some of the zeros, sum is equal to what of the polynomial? Quadratic minus b by a. What is minus b in this case? If I write it like this, ax square plus bx plus c. X term is not there, it is 0. 0 by anything is 0. So sum is what? Sum is 0. Option number C. Now this question you can solve without using pen also, right? X term is not there. Then what is the coefficient? 0, right? So b is 0 means sum is 0. 0 by anything is 0. For that reason, option number C is correct. Can I move on to the next question? Of course. If one zero of the polynomial x square minus 3kx plus 4k be twice the other. Okay, I've done this question also. 2023 paper. Please check. Okay. All right. So if let's say one of them is alpha, okay, and beta is the other one, and they're saying that let's say alpha is 2 times of beta, correct na? One of the zeros is twice the other. One of the zero is twice the other, okay? Then how can I write this sum, bacha? Alpha plus beta will be what equal to? Please check minus b by a. What is minus b in this case? Minus 3k. Minus of minus 3k because b is minus 3k and a is what? Simply 1. A is just simply 2b and b is simply b. How much is that? Plus 3k. Please cross check. 3 beta equals to 3k. 3 and 3 is cancelled. What is beta equals to? K. I'm getting b and equals to beta equals to k. Okay. Other one, product. Please check the product. Alpha times beta equals to what? Alpha times beta equals to 4k by 1, right? C by 1, no? So 4k, C by A, so 4k. What is alpha? Alpha is simply 2 beta. Okay, simply 2 beta. Okay, I can write in terms of beta only, no? Let me just rewrite this part again, this step. That was looking confusing. 4k it's written. This is 4k. By 1 is just 4k. Alpha is what? 2 beta. And beta is what? Simply beta. What I get? 2 beta square equals to 4k. Now we know that beta is simply k. I can write here 2k square equals to 4k. Can you cancel this k with 2? This k? Yes, sir. What I get? K equals to 4 by 2. How much is k? K is 2. K is 2. Option number B. Alright. Good question. A very good question. Alright. This can be again asked If they want, they can ask in similar question in 2 marker category also. Have a look. Okay, so k equals to 2 is my answer when the roots for the given polynomial, quadratic polynomial, is twice the other. One of the root is twice the other. Next is assertion reason. I've taken 3 assertion reason, right? I hope you solved all the 3 questions. For the equations 2x minus 5y equals to minus 3 and 5y minus 6x equals to 9, they are having infinite solutions. What is the condition for infinite solution? If you remember, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. Please check a1 by a2. a1 is 2. So 2 upon a2 is what? Minus 6. Minus 6. Take b1 by b2. Please check. Minus 5. Minus 5 upon 15. Correct. For c1 by c2, so I can bring it over here. So 3. And I can bring 9 over here. So minus 9. I'm bringing on the other side. No, c1 has to be plus c1 equals to 0 or plus c2 equals to 0. Please check. What is this? Minus 1 by 3. This is also minus 1 by 3. And this also is minus 1 by 3. So what I'm getting? Equals to. Means the ratio is equal. Means statement is correct, sir. Statement is valid. Okay. Now reason, the two lines representing by two linear pair coincide, then the pair of linear equations has infinite solutions. Correct, right? Coincide means overlap. It means they will have infinite solutions because the infinite number of point of contact. So yeah, this reason is also right. Reason is also right. But is it the correct explanation? No, sir. The correct explanation for this is this. But have they mentioned it over here? No. Means both the statement is correct, but not the correct explanation of the assertion. I'll tell you why. Because this also is correct. You might get confused, sir. This is also saying infinite solution. Infinite solution. Correct, sir. But think about it. To explain the first step, I need to have this ratio given. Have they given this ratio? They have not given that. Then how do you take that function to be, take the reason to be correct explanation? So for this, answer will be B. I hope all of you are clear about this. B, the reason is not explaining assertion. For it to explain, I needed this statement in the reason. It is missing. That's why option A is incorrect. So if you have taken option A and thinking why my answer is wrong, I'm giving you the answer for that. What is it? This part is missing. Okay. Please have a look. Question number 6 is done. Question number 7. Assertion: if the system of equations 2ax plus a plus by plus 28 equals to 0, okay, and the other one has infinitely many solutions. Great. Then a equals to b by 2. We have to check that. Please check. Can we solve it? Okay, sir. So infinite solution means what? Again, same condition. I don't have to write the condition now. I'll find this a1 by a2. a1 by a2. What is it? How much is it, bacha? Please check. 2a by 2. 2a by 2. How much is that? Simply a. Correct. What is b1 by b2? b1 by b2. 1 second. b1 by b2 equals to what? Please check. b1 is a plus b. b1 is a plus b. If it's not visible, I'll just remove this part. b1 is a plus b. Okay. And what is b2? Simply 3. Please check here. Simply 3. And what is c1? c1 by c2. c1 is 28 and this is c7. So 28 by 7. How much is that? Simply 4. So if you compare this and this, what is the condition? The condition is a1 by a2 equals to all of it. So I'm taking the last one first. What am I going to get from here? A equals to 4. First answer is clear. Okay. Now for b1 by b2, if I take this, again I have to take the equal to sign. So b1 by b2 is also equal to c1 by c2. How much is that, which tell me here? It's going to be a plus b by 3 equals to what? 4. So a plus b equals to what? 12. A is 4. A plus b is 12 means what is b equals to? B equals to 8. A is 4. A plus b is 12. It means b equals to 8. Please check. A equals to what? B by 2. What is b? 8 by 2. How much is that? 4. So correct only, na? What they've given over here is right only, right? It means assertion is correct. Now reason we'll check. The system of equations 3x minus 5 by equals to 9 and 9x minus 5 15 by equals to 10 has unique solution. Unique solution means what? This condition has to be true. a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. This is the condition for unique solution. Please check a1 by a2. So 3 by 9. 3 by 9. Correct? How much is that, bacha? 1 by 3. Check the other one. Minus 5 by minus 5 by minus 15. How much is that? Again 1 by 3, right? Means they're equal. It means reason is incorrect. Think about it. They should not be equal for unique solution, and they're coming as equal. It means they are not having unique solution. So option means, which option is correct? Assumption is right, reason is wrong. Assumption is right, reason is wrong. Which option is correct? C. Don't get confused. Even though they're equal, we are looking for unique solution. It means what? Not equal. We want not equal. Okay. So have a look. I hope this is all visible to you. Option number C. Okay. Please check. I hope this answer was also right for you. Okay. Great, bacha. Moving on to question number 8. All right. For k equals to 2, the pair of linear equations x plus y equals to 4 and 2x plus ky equals to 3 has unique solution. Okay. We have to check that. Unique means what? Unique means a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2, right? What is a1 by a2? 1 by 2. Please check. 1 by 2. What is b1 by b2? b1 is how much? Again 1. Please check from here. 1. What is b2? K. b2 is k, bacha. Okay, k. And what is the k value given? K value is given as 2. So I can write it as 1 by 2 over here, which is equal to what? Actually equal to 1 by 2. Correct, no? It means instead of coming like this, what I'm getting a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. So not a unique solution. Means assertion is incorrect. Assertion is also incorrect, sir. Okay. For unique solution means they should not be equal. They're saying that when k equal to 2, the pair of linear equation will have unique solution. But it is not coming like that. It has to come with this condition. So hence, answer, the assertion is incorrect. Second one, reason a1x b1 by, so they have given the pair of linear equations like this, set of pair of equations are consistent. Means it can have two answers for that, infinite or unique. Please check for this. I can rewrite this as a1, bring a2 on this side. So a1 by a2, and I'll bring b2 over this side, not equal to b1 by b2. That's correct only, right? Correct only. So it means reason is correct. Okay. So answer is reason true, assertion false. Option number D. Option number D, sir. Please check. Reason is true, assertion is false. Reason is a standard statement. Assertion, once we solved it, we got both them to be equal. They should not be equal for it to be unique solution. Okay. Hence, assertion is false. Have a look. Okay. Now, since you're watching this video, okay, I have an announcement to make. Okay. I have an event that we have planned as we do every year. What is that? A very important event. This is to answer the queries, the questions of all of you 10th graders. So what to do after 10th? You have some time left to think about it. After some time, you'll be busy with your boards, okay, and pre-boards, and your preparation, your revision. You'll be very, focused and very nervous about those things. That is okay. But right now, you can spend some time on your question that what to do after 10th. Sir, I'm somebody who is very good in studies, and I've decided I'm going to do engineering. Very good. Then just take this test. It's a DSAT program called as Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. Okay. So in this test, what are you going to do? You have to give this test. Okay. And based upon the test, if you join us, you're going to get a scholarship also. One more thing, this will help you understand whether you stand in your competency level, whether it is JEE or KSAT or NEET, whatever it is. Okay. You decided to go for a competitive examination. This will answer what you should do exactly. Okay. So that is the benefit. If you're somebody who's already decided, I want to do this for my career. Now, if you are someone who has not decided or thought that much ahead that what I want to do, but I'm good in my studies, sir, then this will help you understand. Let's say I'm somebody who I don't want to do engineering, or I don't want to do medical. Then I don't know what to do after that. So this will assist. Okay, this will assist to make the right career choice between commerce, arts, or whatever it is, science with the maths, or science with the medicine or the biology. So you can pick out that or make the correct career choice with the help of this program. So how can it does that? So it is a very uniquely combined aptitude and scholarship test. Okay, so you have to take the test over Sundays. So we have planned accordingly so that students can be available for that. So Sundays you can visit our campuses and write a 3-hour session. This is a completely 3-hour session. Structure of this DSAT program, I'll talk about it at the end. It's not just a test, it is a program. So it is just to analyze and help you understand what should be the right decision for you. Okay, now how can you get to have more clarity or more information about it? The link for this web page is given in the description. Go ahead, check the link, get enrolled, get in touch with our team, and visit one of the campuses on Sundays. Now, the structure of this whole program, which is for 3 hours on Sundays, I'll talk about at the end of the session. Okay. Right now, let me get back to the solution of the mock test number 2. Okay. Chaliye. So moving on, question number 9. Short answer, 3 marker. You can expect in 3 marker, 2 marker category, but mostly I've taken 3 marker questions. You can, because the answer is a little lengthier, so expect in 3 marker category. The angles, you can also expect this question in 5 marker also, but 3 marker at least minimum. Okay, great. Now question number 9, the angles of a cyclic quadrilaterals ABCD are. So over here I'll recall some concepts of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, I know you have learned it, but I'll recall it. I'll give you information over here also. If you have not you're not able to remember this, please accept the answer that opposite angle cyclic quadrilateral is what? Supplementary. Remember this figure? Yes. A, B, C, D. So angle A plus angle C is 180 degree, and so is angle B plus angle D also 180 degree. This means opposite angles are supplementary for cyclic quadrilateral. Now they've given the angles 6x plus 10, 5x, x plus y, and 3y minus 10. Let's substitute in the equations. First one from here, a plus c. So 6x plus x, please check, 7x, 10 plus, okay, there's no constant here, so simply y plus 10. Easy, please check. 7x, because I'm adding a and c, right? First one I'm using. For the first one, a is 6x, this is c is x, so 6x plus x is 7x, and 10 is the constant, so 10 over here, and y is here, so y equals to 180 degree. This is my equation number 1. So I can rewrite this as 7x plus y equals to 170 degrees. This is my equation number 1. Equation number 2, b plus d. I'll write over here just for your help. B plus d equals to again what? 180 degree. What is b bacha? 5x. What's d bacha? 3y plus 3y minus 10 degree equals to 180 degrees. Please cross check. So I get 5x plus 3y equals to 190 degrees. This is my equation number 2. Check here, there's 3y over here and there's a y over here. So do one thing. Multiply this equation 1. Multiply this equation number 1 with what? With 3. What are you going to get? Please check. You're going to get 21x plus 3y equals to 17 times 3, 51. So 510 degrees. Okay. Now write the equation number 2 again. So 5x over here plus 3y over here plus 190. Subtract them. Sign change, bacha. Minus, minus, minus. Okay. So 3y goes out. 21x minus 15x. How much is it? 16x, sir. Subtract this. 0 minus 0. 11 minus 9 is 2. And this is 3. Cancel it. 16 times 20, right? Forgive me. 16 times 20 is this. So I'm getting x equals to 20 degrees. X equals to 20 degrees. Now what about y? Put it in this equation only. If you put here x as 20, this will become what? How much? Please here, check in the equation number 2. This will become 100, right? This will become 100. Bring this 100 on this side. It will become minus 100. So 190 minus 100 is how much? 90 degree. 3y equals to 90 means y equal to 30 degrees. Please put it over here. I'm going to get y as 30 degree. Please cross check. Okay. Please cross check. Okay. What I've done here, put in this equation, I put x as 20. So 100 on that side, 190 minus 100. So 90. 3y is left on the LHS side. Bring 3 on that side. 90 by 3 is how much? 30 degree. Now I will solve for the angles here. So angle A, please check. 6x plus 10. So 6 times of x. So 120 plus 10. How much is that? 130 degrees. Now angle B, have a look. 5x. So simply 5 times of 20. So 100 degrees. Angle C, have a look. Angle C will be what? A plus C. If you want, you can check from here also. X plus Y. So how much is it? 50. 30 plus 20 is 50. Verify it. Sum of these two is how much, bacha? It has to be 180 degree. A plus C is how much? 180 degree. Correct? So 180 degree. Let's do for angle D. Angle D is how much? 3y minus 10. 3y is how much? 3 times of 90. Minus 10 is how much? 80. Please cross check these two also. Again, you're gonna get what? 180 degree. 100 plus 80 is 180 degree. Again, 130 plus 50 is 180 degree. This is your final answers. Good question. Yes, you have to just know the property of cyclic quadrilateral. From there, the equations you have to form and then get the answer as 20 and 30 degrees. I hope this is okay. Please have a look. I hope this is all visible to you. Moving on to the next question, number 10, sir. Okay, question number 10. Question number 10 is very good question. It's an excellent question. You'll see. In a competitive examination, 1 mark is awarded for each correct answer, while half is deducted for every wrong answer. Okay. Jayanti answered 120 problems. Okay, and got 90 marks. Let's say C answered total. So yeah, C answered X right questions, means right answers, and C answered Y questions. Okay, incorrect. What is it? Incorrect. Okay, the total number of questions that C answered was what, bacha? X plus Y equals to, sir, 120. What about the marks value? So X question C answered. For each right answer, C get 1 mark. So times of 1. And for each wrong answer, C gets how much? Loses 1 by 2 marks. So minus 1 by 2. And how many questions C got wrong? Sir, Y C got wrong. Total marks is how much? 90, sir. Okay. Cross multiply this. 2x minus y. This 2 will come on this side. I'm taking LCM. Okay. Multiplying everything by 2 also you can do. 2x. This will become what? 2 and 2 will cancel. 90 times 2 will be what? 180 degree. This is my equation 2. This is my equation 1. Okay. Now do one thing, add the equation 1 and 2. Do one thing, add 1 and 2. X plus 2x, 3x, plus y minus y, 0, equals to 180 plus 120, 300, sir. X equals to what, sir? 100, sir. Means C got X number of questions, which is 100 questions, right? What is Y? Y is 20 questions. So what are they asking? How many questions did C answer correctly? So your answer is this. This is your final answer. What is it? C got 100 questions right. C answered 100 questions correctly. Okay. I hope you got this answer. Very simple question. Statement wise is difficult to form. Sometimes I don't know, but it is pretty easy. Please check. Minus 1 by 2y. You're gonna get this equation as 2x minus y equals to 180 degree. Solve for x and y. X is 100, y is 20. Moving on to question number 11. Coming back to polynomials again. Okay. So if a and b are the zeros of the polynomial py, okay, I solved this question right. So I hope all of you got this answer right. Yes, I hope all of you must have got this answer right. Py is y square minus py plus 1 minus c. So right here, y square minus py minus p minus c is my polynomial. What's the sum of the variables then, or zeros then? Alpha beta is the given zeros. So alpha plus beta will be what? Minus b by a, right? How much is that? Minus of minus p by 1. How much is that? Simply p. So alpha plus beta is what, bacha? Simply p. Okay. Now alpha into beta is how much? Please cross check. Alpha into beta will be c by a. What is c? Please check. Minus p minus c. How come, sir? How come? Because c is the constant, right? The constant term is the entire thing over here. Okay. So that's why I wrote here as minus p and minus c. I hope you understand. Chaliye. By 1 again. So what is alpha into beta? Alpha into beta is minus p minus c. Now use this. They're asking us to find the value of this. Okay. Achha, they've given the condition for this. Okay. That alpha plus 1 times of beta plus 1 equals to 0. Find the value of c. Okay. Let's see what we can do about that. Expand it over here. So alpha into beta is alpha beta plus alpha 1 into beta is what? Plus beta and plus 1 equals to 0. Alpha into beta minus p minus c. Right here. Minus p minus c. Plus alpha plus beta. This part. Plus p. And plus 1 as it is equal to 0. Minus p plus p gone. Minus c plus 1 equal to 0. It means what? C equals to 1. C equals to 1. My final answer. I hope you got the answer right. Yes, I have done this question in my regular class also. Okay. चलिए, find the maximum value of the polynomial px. Okay, this also I've done, right? Minus 9x square plus 12x minus 4. Find the maximum value. I told you this. If I have a square of a number like this, it means it's always greater than 0. If I have it like this, always less than 0, because square will always be positive and negative of a square will always be negative. Okay, so we're gonna get that useful over here. Please check. So my px, I can rewrite this as, I'll try to make a perfect square over here. I have only two formulas for that: a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. Let's see which one will fit. I'll take minus sign common. So 9x square minus 12x plus 4. Looks like I'll have to use what? A minus b the whole square formula. Okay, 1 second. Plus 4. Minus sign outside, this is going to be 3x the whole square minus 2 times of 3x times of 2 plus 2 square, correct? A square b square minus 2ab, what's the formula for this? Minus 3x, okay, not plus, minus, right? 3x minus 2 the whole square. Okay, this is px. Please check. This is the whole square means positive. This is means negative. It means the whole thing px is basically what? Px is less than or equal to 0. So what is the maximum value? So the maximum value is what? Maximum value of px is what? Is 0, sir. Because it is either 0 or negative. What is the highest value? 0 or negative value? 0. So what is the maximum value? 0, sir. They are asking us to find the maximum value. Okay. Now we have to check. Can we check the value where it occurs, where it is maximum? So please check. When is it 0? Put it here. Put it here. 3x minus 2 equal to 0. It means what? They are asking basically where the maximum value of px occurs. Okay. So 3x minus 2 equals to 0. X equals to 2 by 3. This is the value of x where this polynomial px will have maximum value. Okay, 2 by 3. Have a look. So my answers are in two parts in this question. Part number 1 is this answer, and this also is my answer. So part number 2. Okay, have a look. Moving on to question number 13. If 2 by 3 and minus 3 are the zeros of the polynomial ax square plus 7x plus b, then find the values a and b. Asked in 2019, again a PYQ. Please check. So I have to find the value of a and b, right? One way to do the question is put the value of x as 2 by 3 and find the relation in a. Second time put value of, okay, I've done this question also, right? Yes. Second is what? Put the value of x as minus 3 and then find another equation in a and b, solve them to get a and b value. Other is what? Simply find the relation of what? Sum and product. What's the sum, bacha? Sum will be minus b by a. So minus 7 by a. What is sum in this case? Add them. 2 by 3 plus minus 3 equals to minus 7 by a. Okay. How much is that? Take the LCM. 3 is the LCM. So 2 minus 9, right? 3 by 1, no? So what is the LCM? 3 only. Making equivalent fraction will make what? Minus 3 into minus 3, minus 3 into 3. So 2 minus 9 equals to minus 7 by a. Compare minus 7 by 3 equals to minus 7 by a. What is a equals to? 3. First one is done. Second variable. Check the product. Check the product, sir. What's the product, sir? Is going to be, please check. Product is going to be what? 2 times of 3 times of minus 3 equals to what? Minus, just simply c by a. C is how much? B by a. The formula is what? C by a. But in this case, C is actually equal to B. Please check the constant term. Okay. So from here, I have this B value as it is. What is the C value? What is the A value? 3. Cancel this 3 and 3. What I get? Minus 2. So what is B equals to? Minus 6. My answers are A equals to 3 and B equal to minus 6. My final answer. Okay. When A and B are 3 and minus 6, then I will have the zeros to be what? 2 by 3 and minus 3. Okay. Got it. Moving on to question number 14. चलिए, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 4x square plus 3x plus 7, find the value of, okay, this is a simple question, sir. Find it. Sum first you find from here. Alpha plus beta, how much is that? Minus b by a, sir. How much is that? Minus 3 by 4, sir. Alpha into beta is how much? Sir, c by a. How much is that? Sir, 7 by 4. Okay, great. Please have a look what they're asking. They're asking us to find this value. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Take the LCM. Alpha into beta. And this is going to be what? Beta plus alpha. Okay. By making equivalent fraction. How much is this? Minus 3 by 4. Sum is minus 3 by 4. And product is what? 7 by 4. Cancel 4 and 4. What I get? Minus 3 by 7. This is what? This is the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. And that's what they were asking from us. Right? This is not visible. Have a look. Minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 by 7. Okay? Great. Chaliye. Now the last question of this session, of the solution session for your mock 2, which is a case study. Let's solve that question also. So far I'm really hoping that all of you got all the answers correct, right? You've got all the 14 questions answer correct. Some questions was done in the class also, so I hope those questions at least you got it right. Okay, but they were good questions. Next one is, okay, so there are some, okay, the case study, there are some students in two examination hall, A and B, to make the number of students equal. Means there are two halls. They're talking about what number of students. Let's assume the variable also. A, let's say there are A hall is having what? X number of students. And B is having what? Y number of students. Okay, Y number of students. All right. Now they're saying what? The condition they've given. Please cross check. If 10 students are sent from A, means A is losing 10 students, so X minus 10, and B is gaining 10 students, right? So Y plus 10, what happens? They become equal to each other. So X minus 10 becomes equals to Y plus 10. Bring the Y over here, what are you gonna get? So you're gonna get X minus Y, 10 over there, equals to 20. This is my equation number 1, bacha. This is my equation number 1, sir. Okay, now great. This is the condition right now. After this change has happened, this is the final condition. This is my final condition where the change has happened. Okay, they have made the change. What change is that? Transfer of the students from A to B. This is my final condition now. Okay, now second statement. But if 20 students are sent from B to A, this is again a situation if this was happening. Did not happen, but if it is happening, so we have to write what? The statement for this also. But if 20 students are sent from B to A, the number of students in A becomes, please check. Before that, again I'll write this. A is having X, this is having Y. Y is losing, so B is losing 20, X is getting 20. Now read what they're saying, the statement, condition. They're saying that the number of student in A becomes double the number of student in B. Okay, they're saying what? X plus 20 will become what? Double of Y minus 20. Get the equation from here also. I get X plus 20 equals to 2Y minus 40. Bring 2Y over here. So X minus 2Y equals to minus 60. This is my equation number 2. What is my equation number 1? X minus Y equal to 20. Let's write it over here. X minus Y equal to 20. My equation number 1. Subtract it, bacha. Please subtract. See what is happening here. Minus plus minus. Sign change. X goes out. What I get? Minus 2Y plus Y. Simply minus Y, sir. Minus 60 minus 20. Minus 80, sir. What is Y value? Simply plus 80, sir. What is it? Plus 80, sir. Okay. Now if I get Y as 80, please check. X minus Y is 20. It means if Y is 80, X has to be 100. If Y is 80, X has to be 100 because 100 minus 80 is what? 20. So what is X value? X value is 100. Okay, chaliye. Now we'll answer the question that they're asking. Question number 1. Form the pair of linear equations in two variables for the first situation and the second situation by choosing X and Y as the variables. So let's write the answers for this part first. So question number 1. First answer would be the equation number 1. Because they're asking us to what? They're asking us to form the equations, right? X minus Y equals to 20. First one. Second one is what? X minus 2Y equals to minus 60. This is the answer. Yes. Now second question, second has two parts, please check. 2a, find the number of students in hall A. Hall A is what? X, so 100 students. 2b, what is 2b bacha, please check. Find the number of students in hall B. This is going to be what? Simply 80. Okay, now 3, question number 3, find the number of students in each hall after the final situation. This situation, right? So x minus 10, so 100 minus 10, how much was that? 90 in which hall? In hall A. In hall B it is what? Y plus 10, so 80 plus 10, how much is it? So in hall B we have again 90, and they have to be equal, so the answer is 90 and 90. Okay, so please check, please have a look. This is all right. First equation is over here, second equation is over here, right? This is my second equation. Okay, solving it we get x as 100, y as 80. The final answer I've written here for the all case study options 1, 2, 2a, 2b and 3. Okay, so have a look again one last time, and this is it bacha. Okay, this is it. This completes your mock test solution. I hope all of you got all the answers correct. I know that you got it right. Okay, now I said I'll talk about the structure of the DSAT at the end. So what's the structure? 3-hour session over the Sunday. Okay, that's clear. Now in the 3-hour, how can you get to know, so what is my right decision, what should be the decision taken by me for my career? So for that what we do is, we will have a 1-hour session conducted by a teacher, okay, by a faculty from a very experienced team. Now what will happen in that session of 1 hour? You'll have 5 minutes of a session where you'll learn something on a particular concept, and last 15 minutes for doubt clarification. Means you'll have to learn something, then you have to ask your questions, ask your doubts in that 1 hour. So 1 hour is gone out of 3 hours. Next 1 hour will be your aptitude test. So write a test for 1 hour. Next we will evaluate that test, and you'll have one-to-one counseling with our team. Okay, so this will help you understand all the questions answered that you can have. Okay, basically what I can do is, what I can suggest to you, please take a pen and paper out, okay, and write all the queries that you are having for DSAT or for your career. So I want to do this, I want to do this, should I do this? Whatever the questions that you have in your mind as a student for your career, for your studies, please write those questions and go ahead, go through the lecture of 1 hour, go through the test of 1 hour, get the evaluation done, okay, and then ask all these questions with our counselors, okay, with our teachers. Okay, they'll be very experienced and very happy to answer all your queries. Next what? So based upon this, you will be able to reach a conclusion. And also if you are joining us, okay, based upon this test, whatever the score you are getting, you will get a very good scholarship, okay, and then that will help you, what do you call, be happy about it, right? So this is it bacha, that's how the DSAT is planned. So this completes our session today. Okay, so we have done our solution of mock test number 2. I'll see you in the next session. Please keep working hard, keep smiling. Okay, this is for today. This is it for today. I'll see you in the next session. Take care. Bye bye.